Hi everybody, welcome to PB's Cookhouse. So today we are going to make cottage cheese with cashew paste. Cottage cheese means paneer. So without wasting our time, let's go to the kitchen and start our recipe. Before that, I will ask you to hit that like button, and if you are new over here, please do subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell so you will not miss any videos from us. So let's go to the kitchen and start our recipe. For making cottage cheese with cashew paste and potatoes, we will take cottage cheese, potatoes, broken cashew nuts, onions, tomatoes, coriander leaf, garlic and ginger. After that, I will take 1 tablespoon of chili powder, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and curry masala. Then we will add it into the water and make a beautiful paste of it. We will take some ginger and garlic and half of a onion and make a paste of it and keep it aside. Then again we will take 2 tablespoons of broken cashew nut, half of a tomato and grind it and make a paste of it and keep it aside. As all our ingredients are ready, let's start our recipe by heating the oil. Now put the cottage cheese or paneer into the oil just for 2 to 3 minutes. Then after frying for 2 to 3 minutes, take out the cottage cheese and put it into the salted cheese. I have taken 6 cups of water with 2 tablespoons of salt. Now put the potatoes in the oil and fry it until it turns golden brown. Now take out the extra oil and keep around 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Add 1 China moon stick, 1 bay leaf and add the onion, garlic, ginger paste and fry it until 4 to 5 minutes. Then add salt, turmeric and other spices paste we have made earlier. Then mix it until the masala leaves oil. Once it leaves oil, add the cashew and the tomato paste and mix it. You can see now a beautiful color is coming out. Now add chopped carrots, potatoes, add 2 cups of water, let it boil. Once it boils, add the cottage cheese and mix it. Now you can see our cottage cheese with cashew paste and potatoes is ready.